Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's been 2 weeks since we moved into our new home. We've, for the most part, gotten all of the items unpacked out of the boxes. We've gotten rid of all of the boxes, and the inside is shaping up really well. But I also mentioned in a previous video that we've identified several projects that we want to do inside the home or on the exterior. And this is project number 1. We wanted to extend our back patio approximately 15 feet by 28 feet, and that's what you see here. It is very cold today in Georgia, so if you see me filming or recording some things through the window, it's a reason for it. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for tapping in. I want to give a special shout out to all my longtime subscribers and my new subscribers as well. I appreciate you joining Freddie King's home decor team. This is another video shot through the window where I am showing you how they are prepping the space. They have it already framed out. Again, we're going 15 feet out and 28 feet across to make our patio more extended. In the future, I may put up retractable screens. I just don't know yet. But for what I would like for right now, just the concrete patio slab will be enough. This is the next day. It is a better day. Still a little cool out here, but I'm now outside and you see them laying down all of the supplies in order to complete the framing process before they get ready to pour. I want to give a special shout out to Just For You hauling crew and home improvement services. Bernard Cook is the president and CEO of this LLC. That's him in the white shirt and the jeans. He is the mastermind behind many of the projects I'm going to have completed here in our home in Georgia. So if you're in the area and you're looking for the expertise of home improvement services, do give him a call. Just For You hauling crew and home improvement services. If you don't know how to reach him, just drop me a comment in the comment box of this video and I'll be sure to connect the two of you. As you can see, the concrete slab is coming along pretty nicely. We have all of our patio furniture just pushed up under the existing slab, but I am looking forward to the day when I can just extend it out and everything is okay. I spun around right now to show you another project that's taking place. They're cutting down trees to the rear of the home. This is the area where I am going to put a shed up in the near future. A concrete slab will go at the top of the, I'm gonna say the top of the mound. On the far side of the pine needle, you can see where the stump is, where he cut the tree down. A shed is gonna go in that area. So we're having 2 projects worked on simultaneously. More to follow on the shed project when we get to that. But again, I just wanna say thank you for tapping in with your girl. Thank you for rocking with me, and just I appreciate so very much your support in supporting my channel for as long as you have. The concrete has now been poured and we just need to wait until it cures. So stay tuned for another video so I can show you how this final project turned out.